If you're not creating videos using YouTube Shorts, you should be. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get started creating videos using YouTube Shorts. So we all know that there are so many different platforms out there right now where you can create short video content, but one of the platforms that has been around the longest is YouTube. And if you're trying to grow a channel on YouTube, either a shorts channel or a long form channel or both, then YouTube Shorts is what you want to start doing. So let me show you how to create your very first short. So first you want to go ahead and go inside of the YouTube app, and then you got Shorts down here at the bottom. Now you can either click on Shorts to do this, or you can click on the plus sign. Let me show you on the inside of Shorts. So you just click in here, and then you're able to create a short within this feed here if you want to, but most times you're just going to go ahead and click on the plus sign down here at the bottom. So let's click there. Now what you're able to do is you're able to either record a video like this, or you can actually upload a video. So over here in the lower left hand corner, we can tap on there, and that is how we can actually upload a short to our to YouTube Shorts. Otherwise, we can actually film a video here. Now, it is important to know that you have to know how long you want your video to be, because as you can see in the upper right hand corner, if you see the word says 15 seconds, that means this video can be no longer than 15 seconds. But if I tap on that, then my video can be up to 60 seconds. So if you're trying to do a 20-second video, tap on that. If you want to do a 16-second video, tap on that. Otherwise, when I tap it again, then that means my video has to be no longer than 15 seconds. So all you need to do is click on the little red button down here. And now that I am filming my YouTube short. The bar up top will show you how far we are going, which means we are right now halfway through and we are getting to the end of this short. So you got to hurry up and wrap it up. Once we've done that, we want to click on the little check mark down here below. And now we have our video here on the inside of Shorts. So we can do a couple different things here. You can add text if you want to, and I'll show you that in another video, or you can just do a voiceover, or so many other things you can do here in the Shorts feed. Once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and click on next. This is where you're gonna actually write your caption for or description for your video. You're gonna write it in here to capture your short, all right? But also what you're gonna do here is you're gonna decide if you want to put this with a related video or things of that nature, which we will talk about again on another video, okay? So once you do that, you can either click on here, upload short, or you can click there, save for drafts, and that's gonna let you come back to that video later. So that is how you get started creating a brand new short on YouTube. Now we've got a ton of other videos where I'm gonna be walking you through every single feature on YouTube Shorts. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel. I have 2 videos that come out every single week teaching you video marketing strategies, but also teaching you how to make money online.